Simple, sir. Let's write one application, sir. Spring started project. Okay. First, I'll do normal projects, sir, not Spring's project. Event project will do this. Because jar file it should be add, right, sir? Sorry. Right. Then you can use the group ID com. Yes, I'm designing addition subtraction applications. So first application, simple. So we'll do the different frameworks or Mockito, Power Mockito. We'll try to use several things. But and even up to REST application we'll design, sir. First we'll understand how to write a basic application. Then after that we'll come to design web application after the REST application. Okay. Then you can try to apply wherever. Just you can practice them. And the practice is the bag of sir. చేసిన అంత పాటు చేసేయండి అయిపోతుంది ఏమంటారు చిన్న అప్లికేషన్. Guys, if you want, you can try to design, sir. Anyways, take the time to create a structure. So now, sir, what we do the next step? So let's try to create one application, guys. Okay. J. Okay. So now, first once you created a project, Maven project, then now you can try to add. See now, sir, dependency. Once you created the dependencies, 3.8.1 is providing, sir. Is it really? Tell me now. Is it required to add the JUnit library, sir, please? Yes, tell me. Is it required, friends? Because just by default, Maven project creation itself is providing my JUnit framework. Then really is required to add it, guys. Add the jar files again. Please tell me. Not required, Shiva. Okay. Let's go to write the application then. Are you understand, guys? Look at SRC business logic. Here we can write the business logics. Here, ma'am, test. We can write the test cases. ఇది బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మీకు ఎక్కువగా ఏంటంటే ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ అప్లికేషన్ డిజైన్ చేయడం కానీ ఇది కానీ ఇస్తారు. సెక్యూరిటీ మీకు చేసి అప్ చెప్పరు. ఏం కాదు చేద్దాం. ఎందుకు అప్ చెప్పి చూద్దాం. రైట్. Calculator. Now you can write the simple application, guys. Addition of main method I'm not writing. Well, my focus is what? Unit test, writing a test cases. Integer a. Then return a plus. Right. Can I go for division? Sir, I think now you understand my business logic, business operation, please. Fast. Now you can write the test cases, madam. See here. Test.java is there, right? You can write the test case. See now, test suite and all these things is not required, sir. నేను చెప్తున్నా ఎంత కూడా అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు అంతా సింప్లిఫై అయిపోయింది. Let me write it. Here I'm writing my own class, a new class. So calculated test. Now, here what I'm doing now, let's try to create. See, if you want to test a business components are the business methods anamata. I want to test the business method is positive or negative, valid input or invalid input. I want to test all the angles, sir. So for example, amma, when you went to a shop, if you want to buy even what is it? I can try to say pen, you will test or not the pen is I mean pen is a ball pen or a ball pen or some a different pen, or pen is I mean a red pen, and we'll check all the angles and look good or not. We'll check all like this. The same thing. Once you write one component, the component is working or not, and if I provide a negative, what will happen? All these aspects should be tested. We write the test cases. Then this is called unit testing. Every developer will write, madam, static calculator. So first thing, sir, I want to create object, right? If you want to perform something, you require object of calculator class, right? Yes or no? For this, let me write one method, public static void. You can, this is a user defined method, sir. Init is a user defined method. Okay, calc, right? New calculator like this. Now tell me, please, at the rate of at the rate of NV. 1 minute, ma. Let me check that. Jar files is available, added or not. Shivaya. See now, J Power Excel file having this one, but this jar file is not added, sir. Okay, let me try to Maven dependency, sir. Let me get it. That's the reason is not detecting. I understand. Maven update. Course. Why is still not coming? So okay, I'll try to add again. Scope test kaadu. Okay. Let me add the JUnit jar files once again. Dependency. Oh, now the ocean is changed. Huh? Now I can try to add it here. From the Maven repository, yes, it's now it will become. Don't worry about that. See now, is it clear now? Yes, guys. What will happen once I start run my test case, then immediately before class, or before all the test cases, this method will execute. Then object will be created. Yes or no, guys? Guys, please, you got it? Now, let me write the test case. Public void test add underscore 01. Open. So calculate dot add method. We are passing 100, 200 mark. Now tell me here 200. What is the result, guys? Int actual result equal to actual result. Now, what is the expected result? Your actual result is 300. Assume that integer, what is you are expecting? Result is 30. We'll see that. So what method we can try to use? Asset equals. Look at now, so many asset methods are. Just to explain, right? Asset equals. What are you expecting now? Actual expected result. Next one is actual result. Like this. Or you understand, please? But now it will run, it will work like a test case? No. When it work as a test case, if you configure as date of test, that's it. This is the way you can write the test cases. Are you clear, sir, please? Can you run Shiva? Yes, why not? Right click on this, run as JUnit test. Fail. Why test fail is fail? Only one test case you return. That is fail, madam. Why fail? Because expected result 30. What actual result is 300. Then definitely is fail or not? Now 300. Now run it. See, test case is pass. So this is the way you can write the test cases using JUnit framework. Are you understand everyone, please? Yes or no, please, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Shiva, I think I got it. Can we try to test in the different manner? Can we write the more than one test case? Yes. Pass the different values. Sir, మన database కూడా ఇంట్రాక్షన్ అయితే రాద్దామండి. First basic చెప్తున్నా. తర్వాత Mockito చెప్తా. How to write the Mockito. That is the way we try to use it. What is Mockito? What is Power Mockito? And how to use it. Then after that REST application, how to use it. 0, 2. Then 10, 20. So assume that no doubt 15. So no doubt this is fails or not, guys. 100% test case will fail. No doubt. Good. Next, positive or negative. You can write any number of test cases like this. Are you understand? Yes, Shiva. Shiva, I want to send a -10. Then I'm giving here 30. Now tell me, then test cases fail or not? Yes. Which test case is failing, madam? Second test case. Then immediately the negative value once it passed, then my test case will fail. Are you understanding, please? Yes. Now, sir. Okay, divisor I'll write, madam. Public void test div. Then we are providing like this. Calculate dot div. Just we are passing 10 to. So now tell me, this test case will execute before the time limit. So okay, at the rate of the test. Then even time bound also can set, madam. See, expected timeout. Timeout. For the timeout, 1000 milliseconds. Once once the test case is running, before 1000 milliseconds itself, it should be run, guys. This is failed, sir. Are you clear, sir, everyone? Yes or no? You know, all the test cases pass. 0.0.7 seconds itself, it will be completed. So 1000 milliseconds is not required. 1000 seconds is not required. 1000 milliseconds is not required. So this is the way time also you can try to set here. Sometimes, sir, maybe you have a chance to generate exception. Okay. What arithmetic exception, sir? 10 divided by 0. So now tell me 10 divided by 0, it means that when you are trying to work it, no doubt. Expected. What you're expecting, guys? Does it? Got it? Sir, now this is the way. So why test cases pass, sir, please? Yes, tell me. Why the test cases pass? Friends, why the division test cases pass, please? Because your expected is arithmetic exception, right, madam? You expected is arithmetic exception. No doubt the test cases pass. So after completing the test cases, madam, you can try to write what? Destroy the object. So for this, what I can do it, ma'am? Please, at the rate of. Sir, I hope you understand the test cases, please. Yes or no? Right? I hope now you understand, guys. Still any question, please? So just now we understand what is JUnit framework. What it mean by unit testing? What do you mean by unit testing, guys? Tell me, please. So and one more thing is JUnit is an open source testing framework for Java programs. The Java programmer can create test cases and test his our own code. It is one of the unit testing framework. Current version is JUnit 4. To perform unit testing, we need to create a test cases. We need to create a test cases. The unit test case is code which ensure that the program logic work as expected. One more time. To perform unit testing, we need to create test cases. The unit test case is a code which ensure that the program logic works as expected. Right. What are the types of unit testing, guys, please? Manual testing, automated testing. What is mean by manual testing? If you are executing the test cases manually without any tool support, it is known as manual testing. So I'm writing a test case is manually, guys. Then without doing tool support. For example, sir, you went a bangle shop, madam. You will test manually or you use any tool, madam? Obviously, you test a manually itself, right? That is suitable or not, and that then it comes a long run or not, and everything we try to test it. Then only we purchase. But if you have any other tools to check like this, no. That is called manual testing. What about automated testing? If you're executing the test cases using a tool, using a framework support, a tool support is known as automated testing. Right. Annotations are zero testing just now expenditure at the rate of test before class, right? Before, after class, and all those things. Asset class methods, I hope you understand. Yes, Shiva, I got it. Can you write the test cases, sir, please? Yeah, why not? So guys, can I write one method here? Find max method. Friends, please.
Yes, sir.
Public static int ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి కొద్దిగా ఒక రెండు అప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే చూస్తానికి సింపుల్ గా ఉంటుందండి ఏముంది కానీ రైట్ రెస్ట్ రాస్తే మీకు కొద్దిగా బాగుంటుంది ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు టుమారో ఐ ఫోకస్ మేడం రెస్ట్ ఏ ఆర్ డాట్ రైట్ సో ఇఫ్ less than ఎందుకు ఎర్ర వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ అర్థం కావట్లేదు. శివ. Yeah. I less than, right? Error leg. Okay, keyword I have to provide. Return max. So this is what I'm writing. So simple, guys. Now, guys, tell me now, please. Can I try to start writing? Guys, please. Can I try to go for the right test case now?
Yes,
We are
sir.
right test case or not?
Yes.
ఇలా మీరు 4 అప్లికేషన్ చేయండి ఓన్గా. రాకపోతే నన్ను అడగండి. రేపు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత మగిటో చెప్తానండి. మగిటో, పవర్ మగిటో 2 చెప్పేస్తాను. దాన్ని బేస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దురు కానీ. ఆ తర్వాత రెస్ట్ చెప్తాను. ఈ రెస్ట్‌కి మీకు ఇంగా మీరు అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సేమ్ రెస్ట్ ఈజీగా ఉంటది అంతే. ఇంత చేస్తాం కదా, స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ ఈజీగా ఉంటది. టెస్ట్ ఫైండ్ మ్యాక్స్. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఏది నేర్చుకున్నా సరే అంటే ఫండమెంటల్స్ నుంచి నేర్చుకోవాలి. అసెట్ ఈక్వల్స్ 4. దెన్ ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, అది ఏం పేరు? స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ కదా. కెన్ ఐ ట్రై టు యూజ్ లైక్, ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, సారీ. అండ్ మ్యాక్స్. Like this, right? Use native. Okay. All right, the test case now, please. At the rate of. ఇది కొద్దిగా బాగుంది కదండి. ఇందాక కన్నా అది ఇందాక జస్ట్ అర్థం కావడం కోసం యాడ్ మీద రాశాను. చూడండి, దిస్ వే కెన్ టైం టు టెస్ట్ ఇట్. రైట్. What is the problem? Guys, please. This is the way. Why the problem is, please? What is the max value here? Guys, please. Then what is the value you're getting? 4. Then obviously fail or not?
Yes, sir.
Now run it. Again fail. Now second scenario. Then find max. -1, -3, -2, like this. Then can I say -3? So why fail the test case, sir? Anyone can you guess it, please? Yeah. So when we pass a negative values, it throws assertion error, right? Guys, are you observe? Assert equals, it means that unit. Look at now. Assertion error, right? When we pass a negative value, it shows, it throws assertion error, because second time find max method returns 0 instead of -1. It means our program logic is incorrect. Yes or no, guys, please? Then let's try to make a small changes in your programming logic to find the maximum number for the given array is not correct, because it does not return -1 in case the negative values. The correct program logic is, let's try to make a small change. Then even, yes. Can I make changes, guys? Now tell me here what you mentioned now. Error of 0. Then -. Even if you want C like this, yes, you can try to specify. So instead of zero, you can try to use AR of zero assigned to max. Then yes, no doubt about that. Guys, beautiful. Perfect. Guys, all my test cases pass. So it means that my logic is perfect or not, please.
Yes, sir.
Now I think you understand how to write a unit test cases, guys. Can you try to practice one example, sir, please? Everyone.